Sino po sa inyo ang nakabunot ng executive? Okay, magkano po ang sahod ng executive? 100,000. Magkano rin po ang expenses? 40,000. So it doesn't mean na kapag malaki ang sahod, ikaw na ang mananalo sa game natin. Because the higher your salary, it means malaki rin ang expenses. Okay, now that every one of you already has a character, doon naman po tayo sa goal. Now, we only have one goal for everyone, and that is the 600,000 vacation fund. Sino po ba sa inyo ang gusto magkaroon ng bago sa pamamasyal for 600,000? Of course, we all want that. Bago na tayo ng Hong Kong with a 600,000. Okay? Now, for the goal. Yung goal po natin will dictate how many turns yung game natin. So you have there 24 turns. And that turns will dictate how long the game will run. So makikita nyo po dyan, every even number sa baba po ng day 24, it means you'll get your salary. When we turn the calendar, even number, odd numbers naman siya.